Digistore24 Best Products to Sell with Affiliate Marketing in 2021. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get started affiliate marketing using Digistore. So firstly, I want you to come on to digistore24.com and I want you to click on Start Now. It's free to sign up. Now, once you do that, that is going to take you over to this page. From over here, simply put in your username, email, password, and everything else, and after that register for absolutely free. Now once you register, I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. Now over here is where the fun begins and where the magic happens. So in front of you, you have a list of products that you can promote. So you have medical products, you have digital products, you also have keto cookbooks, dietary products, and then also essentially you have about 416 products in total. So that is a good amount. And then on the left side, you can see all the categories of products that you can essentially find products in. So you have job and employment, you have internet marketing and e-business, home and garden, hobby and handcraft, green products and environment protection, and then also so many more categories as well. You can expand upon all of these categories and you can essentially find good products in all of them. So I'm gonna open up the first niche, that is gonna be fitness and health, and then I'm gonna open up business and investment, and then I'm gonna open up computer and internet, because these three are the most profitable niches that I've found yet on Digistore. So let's take a look at the health section. Now the health section is by far the easiest to promote and the easiest to get sales on. So why, you ask? Well, because essentially in the health product, you can essentially find the products that are about health, and people are really desperate to fix their health. So you are not gonna be just waiting for months and months to get your first affiliate sales. You will be getting your first affiliate sale within a day or two if you were to choose a product that was in the health section. Now you have to take a few things into consideration whenever you are picking any product. Firstly, you have to take a look at how much money you are going to be making. Then you have to take a look at your promo link. Now when you've seen your promo link, you can simply click on this particular button to go to the landing page to actually see if this particular product's page is good or not before making your final decision. Always pick products that have a very nice landing page, because at the end of the day, the landing page is going to be the thing that is going to be getting you sales and essentially affiliate income. Because if this is good, then people are going to be impressed, but if this is bad, well then honestly people are not going to be impressed. So now from over here, once you have for example found a product, simply copy its affiliate link to his spreadsheet and keep it there. So now let's move on to the second category. So over here, on average you can make about $5 in commission. But now let's take a look at the business and investment side of things. So in this particular niche, this is the most profitable niche that is present on Digistore24 right now at this very moment. So why, you ask? Well, because over here you can make upwards of up to $130, $240, then you have a $300 commission paying products as well. Now they are only paying you 50% commission, but still that commission is a lot of commission. So that is why I really like Digistore24's this particular niche, because you can actually make quite a lot of money. So let's take a look at their second page. So if you were to go over to their second page, so over here, if you were to promote this particular product, you will only get 10% commission, but that 10% commission is going to be $188, guys. That is how much money and how much potential there is. So always do your research and find a product that you actually believe it's nice. So coming back, so this was the second niche, and honestly over here you can find some of the best products to sell with affiliate marketing. Then at last we have the computer and internet niche. Now guys, everybody has a computer and everybody uses the internet, so this is also a very easy niche to promote. But the thing is, selling software is sometimes complicated, because you have to actually take care of if you are not accidentally promoting copyrighted software, stuff like that. So always be mindful of that. But apart from that, over here we have people selling Raspberry Pi courses as well. So you can make $19 from this. Then you have people selling WordPress websites, and honestly you can make $133 from that. So I mean, like, very nice niches. So guys, like, these three were the most profitable niches on Digistore, through which you can find hundreds of different products that could pay you a lot of money. But at the end of the day, it all depends upon how you want to go about this strategy. Because if you don't have a strong marketing strategy, if you don't have a big Instagram page, if you don't have the proper like game plan to actually promote these products, well, then these products will never end up making you money. Because at the end of the day, it's people who you have to impress, and if they are impressed, well, then you are gonna get sales. Now, lastly, one more category that I want to show you guys is called spirituality and esoterics. So once I click on this, that is going to take me over to another page. So over here, you can basically see, like, all the different products that are present in the spirituality section. Now, this niche might not be the highest paying niche, but this is also by far the most easiest to promote, because the products are not really that expensive, and then also the commissions are really nice. So you can get paid $30 by simply promoting this particular product. Then you can also get paid, like, $8 if you were to promote this particular manifestation power book. Then you could also make, like, a decent amount of money through like promoting these products. Now again, this is going to be free money. I mean, like, you are simply promoting someone else's product and you are making some money from that. So now what I want you to do is that once you have finalized your product, there are a couple of ways through which you can promote them. My personal favorite is through Pinterest, because Pinterest is going to end up making you good money. Because the thing is, over here on Pinterest, there are a lot of people who want to make money online. So I'm going to search make money online over here, and you will see all of these posts come up. So if I were to open up this particular one, well, then I can see that, like, over here they are basically linking an article that you can go to, and you can actually like learn more about their particular offer. But you guys can also do that. I mean, like, you can design, like, cool thumbnails like this using canva.com, and then simply like promote your affiliate offers on Pinterest as well. So like, definitely a very nice opportunity, and you guys don't want to miss out on this. So yeah guys, definitely do that. And apart from that guys, I hope I covered everything in this video. And one last tip is that whenever you come out to the store product, always, like, do your research. I mean, like, I've said this before as well, but the thing is, if you go too quick with a product, well, then other people might have also went too quick with that product. So like, you have to make sure that you don't have a lot of competition, and you actually end up making affiliate money and not just end up wasting your time. So like, definitely do some research, make sure to find the right niche for you, which is going to be the most easy for you to promote, and then go full force at it, because you can succeed in affiliate marketing for sure. It is not difficult. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like, basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So yeah, like, definitely do that. And yeah, this was it. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.